More news is coming in at this point in time. Heavy rains wreak havoc in northern India. Flash floods in Himachal and Jammu. Overflowing rivers devastate lives along the riverbanks. In Himachal, BS River overflows in Mandi. Mandi-Kullu highway has been closed. Infrastructure and losses that have now been reported.
Manali highway, which has been broken, completely washed away, and that resort also hangs in danger. You can see that resort that hangs in danger. So the impact of the flood and the inundation was so much that it has broken entire highway. An entire piece of land has been washed out. There's around more than 100 meters, 200 meters of land which is washed out. I'll explain you through this. That so you can see behind me. This is the highway which comes from Kullu. On this side is Kullu, and on behind me is Manali, which is totally washed out. And this is the situation here, that inclement conditions, weather. Although things have opened up a bit now, the skies are open. It's a bright sunny day as of now, but it rained early morning. But this is the kind of signs of devastation you can see on the Kullu Manali highway, completely cutting off the connectivity of this region. So everybody here on the edges is living in danger. All the establishments have been evacuated, but the connectivity continues to stay an issue on this Kullu Manali highway, as there was heavy rains, incessant rains, flash floods, cloudbursts that basically created havoc for the entire area.
North India is battling flash floods with severe damage to property and loss of life. Take a look at these top developments. Destruction occurred in Himachal Pradesh's Kullu Manali districts due to overflowing in the Beas River. A significant portion of the Kullu Manali highway was washed away. Several structures on the roads destroyed, leading to people being stranded on the hills. Heavy rainfall across Himachal has caused sharp rise in the Beas River water level. Authorities and locals remain on alert as downpour continues in the hill state. Heavy rainfall lashes Bhaderwa in Jammu and Kashmir, causing waterlogging, disruption in local areas. Authorities have issued warnings as residents face challenging conditions due to incessant downpours. Several houses were washed away in flash floods in the hills. After devastation for the past 3 days, Jammu is limping back to normalcy. The weather conditions have improved. Water level in the swelling rivers has begun to recede. Government is trying to restore electricity in almost all localities of Jammu. Indian Army has deployed its advance. In fact, vehicles in the all-terrain vehicle in the flood-affected Amritsar. It operates in water, rugged terrain, helps evacuate stranded villagers as rescue teams continue moving people to safety.